Alright, so it's me and Zach out here on the creek. We're walking around looking for whatever we find. Specifically, we're looking for Coke glass.
Yep.
Have we found any?
Yep, a lot.
And we're just gonna keep walking down, and we'll go ahead and turn the camera on if we find anything neat. And then on the way back, we'll do the same. But just give you a quick look around. Just that Kentucky Creek.
Yes, sir.
There's not a whole lot to it, but once we get back up top, we'll check out the cave. Stick around.
Gotta film it. Look at that. I did it.
Careful.
Hi. Hi.
Well, let's get the kids out. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna be kids. So we were just walking and we heard it. Oh, it's beautiful. There's a waterfall over here. It's also Tick City. See if we can get you turned around here. I haven't done the update on this G7X3 yet. Yeah, G7X is the number 3, so the focus is a little crazy. Dang, look at that. See if y'all can see this. Get you in frame here. Sorry, that's me. Yeah. Hopefully you can hear it. It sounds beautiful. Oop, almost died. Yeah, there you go. Let's go right here to sleep. That's why you come out, folks. Hopefully you can hear good. Oh yeah. Looks like this is probably a good opportunity for some B-roll. Oh, we weren't even recording. Okay. Missed all that. Now I have no idea what I did and did not record. So, hopefully I got some of that good bee footage for you. Right now it looks like we're just walking down a trail. I'm sure you can see it there in the video. He wanted to see where it went, so I'll let him lead the way for a little bit. Yeah, we've already found a lot of glass. We've tried to find, there's another sign, look at that. You see it there? Yeah, you can see it. all over the place. Anyways, what we're looking for is Coke glass. Obviously, if we could find a whole bottle, that would be outstanding, but the glass, so we put it in a tumbler and it turns into this really pretty frosted glass, and the color is just really unique. And plan on making a shadow box with it, but it'll be double-sided shadow box so that we can put it in the kitchen window and have hopefully a really neat little window ornament. What do you think, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Wow, it looks like this. All those creeks lead down to where we're headed right now. Look at that. I see it looks like a big old creek or a river that way. So, we'll turn it back on if we see anything neat. I'm getting ready to head back up, but I figured there's like 4 or 5 different outlets going into this little stream right here. I'll show you real quick. A lot of down trees, whole lot. Alright, let's start heading back up, dude.
Oh my god.
Let's try it again.
Wait. Give me the...
Yeet! Let's see if we can navigate some of this stuff to get upstream a bit. Just found what we're looking for. Go ahead and get you turned around here so y'all can see it. You know, in case any of you don't know what the old Coke bottles look like. Let's see if we get down here. A little piece of it right there. That's a smaller piece, but it's good and thick. That color looks really nice. That one actually doesn't look like Coke bottle. Same color, but I'm not sure what that's off of. But another one for the pocket, and we'll keep walking and see what else we find.
Dad,
Yes, buddy.
let me get back over. I'm gonna try to get that golf ball.
That golf ball?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that was in pretty deep water, dude.
Yeah, I found a very long stick.
Oh, okay. You might as well get down to your skivvies and get in there and get it.
Dad,
It's a good stick. And I just thought of another piece of glass.
it is now my walking stick.
You see it? You see it? You see it? That is Coke bottle. Signature little ripples. Super thick, good color. That's what we're looking for. Haven't turned the camera off yet, so you're just kind of bearing with the bounces. Still trying to get this in the pocket. There you go. Yeah, it's surprising how many Coke bottles we found out here today. Almost a full one. I was really bummed about that. Oh, what is that? That's green glass. We ain't looking for that. We got enough of that in our pocket. That, however, is what we want. Right there. We had so much of it earlier. It's actually starting to pull my britches down. I didn't wear a belt today. So we just stopped twice now and emptied my pockets into a backpack. So it's a pretty good problem to have when you're looking for something and you're finding it, huh? The amount of bedrock in this place, I wish to gosh Kentucky was a gold bearing state. I have tried multiple times and have failed every single time. A lot of lead. Oh, just crossing over. Yeah, a whole lot of lead. Not near enough literally anything else. I probably found 10 pounds of lead just out here panning around, crevicing, hitting up some of these bedrock cracks. If it was gold bearing, I'm pretty sure I would have found it by now. He's going in the water over there. Yeah, it looks like it's about time for me to try to cross back over. Take you along on this one. Hopefully I don't drop the camera and, you know, make the wife hate me. Ooh, almost went down. You gotta get used to where to hold the camera up so you'll see me. Oh. Not near as sprightly as I used to be. There we go. Yeah, I came out here the other day, kicked up 2 copperheads. Was no kind of fun. Let's look for glass. I'll go ahead and turn it back on if I find anything else. The most work anybody's had to do for a golf ball.
We got it.
Let's take a look at it. Let's see if this Pinnacle golf ball,
My
Pinnacle
God.
number 4.
I don't think that was worth it. I mean, it kind of was.
Zeus might think it was.
Not like that on it. I'm kidding. I'll give it to Zeus.
Why'd you take your sweater off?
I'm just do that.
You just couldn't do that? Ah man, let's get moving again.
Okay.
Alright, so you can't really tell how big it is. It goes up there a ways, a couple of little waterfalls, and in the back of that there's a cave. But our bikes are clear up there somewhere. So that's the next step. Here's some size comparison for you. Here we are at the cave. Oh, the mouth of the cave. You see that? It's massive, and it goes back there a ways. Not actually gonna go in it. We'll get our camera look around though. I doubt you guys will be able to see anything.
Yeah, you really can't see anything. That's funny.
Oh, you see a little bit.
Yeah, a tiny bit.
You good? Okay. check this out. Rules of the cave. What happens in the cave stays.
Yeah, that's the end.
Handprint, flowers. And some of the stuff is pretty loose. Yeah, that's pretty, huh? Huh. That's
Pretty neat. It looks like a.
like what?
I don't know. Easy way to the road.
Yeah, no, that's under the road, buddy. Oh, we still gotta get to our bikes. The bikes are right above us technically right now. Do you see all this stuff?
Wow.
This is kind of worrying me, buddy. You have these big rocks falling. This stuff falls due to vibrations. Hey, you trying to make stuff fall, bro? Yeah, that's crazy. Just my office. Looks like it's eroded all over. All the stuffs. Alright. Erosion under a road? Yep.
Road under a road.
Eroding under a road?
A road under a road.
Yep. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay. Let's get on bikes and get home, huh? Alright. Well, we're gonna go ahead and head home. Once we get home, I'll empty all my pockets and everything. Vines?
Yeah.
Hopefully you see them. Yeah, once you get home, I'll go ahead and empty out my pockets and my backpack and take a look at everything we found. Oh, Zack had another golf ball too. Yeah, he found that one right there.
It's beat
It's
up
a fake
bit.
plastic one. For like putt-putt. Okay. Hey, make sure you're being careful on the way down there. You guys see the flowers blooming up there? Spring is here. No, you're not going down there, buddy. Okay. See you at the house. Alright, so we're back. We got everything laid out. Found quite a bit of stuff today. You'll have to excuse the mess in the garage. I was going to have it pointing the other way, but the light wasn't good for us. So, Jack, if you can go ahead and point it down, and just twist it. Point it down. I think we need, nope, that's good. All right, so, actually, let's just take you out of here. As you can see, we found quite a bit of Coke glasses, almost a full bottle. Zack's golf balls. This pan that they're sitting on, that's the green glass we grabbed. Turkey feather. Blue glass, one real good thick piece. Zack found that one. Zack also found this. See if we can get to read it. It says 4 mason jars. There you go. It's an old mason jar lid. Pretty cool. We only grabbed a little bit of brown glass because we got quite a bit of that still. White glass we found. This should look alright, I think. That's a piece of white glass too. It's just got calcium all over it. The clear glass. This piece. How neat is that? Don't know how old it is.
I'm gonna go wash these now.
Alright, buddy.
Love you.
Thank you. Love you. It's aluminum and just glass. But the reason we're doing this stuff is so we could do this. Now these aren't finished, they still need to be polished so they're a little bit clearer, but they basically turn it into super smooth, clear glass. And when you there you go, that's, see that better? Here, lick it real quick. That's kind of what we're going for there. Just fill a shadow box up with those and stick it in the front window, and it should be a pretty little kitchen ornament. But I'll probably do a video when I actually do that. But as you can see, I've got quite a bit of rock toning I gotta do. Oh, look at this piece. Super thick piece of glass here. The bottom says USOMC. I'll have to look that up and see if that's military or not. Sweet as can be. Alright. On that one, I think I'll go ahead and close out this video. If it focuses. Hey, there we go. So, appreciate you watching if you made it all the way to the end. If not, oh well.